Hello, I'm James, and I would like to introduce you to TidyBot, your personalized AI assistant. The goal of this project is to solve the problem of the overload of digital information which reduces the student's productivity. But current solutions are based on manual inputs and require heavy user input and discipline. This gives me a lot of missing pieces that I need to fill. The aim of my project is to develop an AI-powered tool to personalize students' online experience for better time management and productivity. The primary objectives include automatic sorting, interactive reminders, and most importantly, a fully personalized AI assistant. And these three features are what allows TidyBot to fill the missing gap. To achieve this, TidyBot takes 5 primary inputs and uses AI models to generate a personalized digital environment with interactive windows and an AI scheduler. The rationale behind this project is based on 20 years of research, which highlights the significance of self-regulation to the student productivity and how assistive technologies can play an important role in this. As I mentioned before, this is the detailed research of current applications and how they show that they fall short in meeting that much needed gap. Therefore, the rationale of TidyBot is to utilize the following modules to become a fully personalized AI assistant to fully boost student productivity. Here's my methodology through a workflow. I have raw input, and this input of data is sent through to the filtration sector, which includes transformers, which are examples of natural language processing, and filters it down into my data set, which is then used to train these 4 primary algorithms, which include things such as behavior analysis, TensorFlow PyTorch, which is machine learning, which feeds directly to make a personalized model where I can model and program will visualize each individual person and give them a personality. And above, we have the automation scripts, which automate some of the personalization features, such as personalized folders by using Google Drive APIs and to create a personalized organization model. And all of this is then fed into the output sector, which is chatbot. It feeds all of this into the pop-ups and the UI elements, which directs to a browser extension or iOS and basically allows the user to interact and see their dashboard, which I will mention later. And finally, through the interaction window, the user can validate if the model is correct and give feedback, which either leads right back to the training or to the model. As mentioned before, TidyBot uses natural language processing to filter information to data sets, which will work with APIs to feed input to machine learning. TidyBot uses 3 primary training sets with 3 different student groups: attention deficient, normal, and highly productive people. As you can see here, this becomes the initial training set, which is used to train the initial model of the AI. And through validation, if it doesn't match the accuracy, then it'll go back to training. And if it does, it'll move on to the prediction phase, where I input the raw user data from here through my trained model and through a continuous training set where they're continually learning about the person to predict on new data. Here is my user interface, which utilizes UI such as pop-ups and intuitive dashboards on the browser as an extension. But it can also be used as an app for both iOS and Android devices, as shown here with these prototype images. And finally, the data analysis, I'm using 3 primary variables that I need to gauge: stress level, grades, overall productivity, before TidyBot and after TidyBot, and through the evaluation methods shown here. The impact of TidyBot: it will help students eliminate distractions and prioritize deadlines. Here's the expected outcome of student performance, and you can notice how much of an improvement it is to people with attention deficiency. Here's my project timeline, and roughly 2 months is needed to finish the project, and my budget is about $3,000 to purchase all the APIs and data sets needed for publication. Here's the overall quad chart, and the entire goal of the project is to help students manage the huge influx of information online. And by using the robust methodology that I have, TidyBot can achieve a fully personalized automated AI learning technique. And with the help of TidyBot, everyone can be productive. No matter how scary the internet may seem, It'll help boost academic performance by helping students use the internet the right way.